Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening two of these boxes. Luckily I got them together almost on the same day apart, and I don't know what to think about it because I made my selection on both of these boxes. In one I got what I picked and the other one I didn't, so I don't know what's going to happen with that, but let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So I already did my unboxing for the premium box, two different ones, and I don't know guys, every time that I get two different boxes, they do tell me have the same credit card, the same name, the same address, everything the same, which it is. I keep getting duplicates, and this is the same case. And another bad thing that they messed up on, I made my choice and I'm over here waiting for a palette, so I'm like, you know what, I'm not gonna do my top makeup, my eye makeup, so I could do that on camera. And once I opened it, I was like, what's going on here? I got the same product that I selected for my other one. And you know what's funny? I did my selection on camera. I selected with you guys, so you guys could see exactly how you pick your choice items, so you don't miss out on that. And you saw me picking, which I was surprised when I selected the palette. So I don't know what's going on. Let's see if they're able to help me with that. But in the meantime, let's just go ahead and do the unboxing. So I have two different variations at least, but yet they're so similar. So the first box, as you open it, it looks like this, and the card is here. And the card for this one is number 7. Hopefully I put it on the right box. And in this one, I wanted to try out some of the products that you see here. As I did mention in another video, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Guys, stay tuned because I'm going to be doing a video showing you what's going to be in the box. See, it was the Pore Professional, and this is for the pores. Yes, I have large pores, but you know what I noticed? I've been using that PMD Clean Beauty, the device. My pores, they do look better. And also I've been trying that toner that I did get in my premium box. So far I'm liking those products, and this one I applied it before applying the rest of my makeup, and I think it's a pretty good product so far. I don't think I ever tried this product, but I know it's such a lot of people really like it, so I hope that it works great on my skin. The next product that I did like, actually this was the first thing I tried. I'm glad I selected this. I love how it smells, and this is from Elemis Superfood Cica Calm Hydration Juice. It smells so good. It smells so light and refreshing. I just felt like my skin was already feeling so refreshed just on this scent alone. I don't know if it has cucumber, I know it has aloe, but it felt so hydrating, and I applied this on camera, so I really like this. Fit Cosmetics, the Pore Professional, it is $32. The Elemis Superfood Cica Calm Hydration Juice, that one is $48. The original makeup eraser, the theme I believe is sunset, and it retails for $22. This does tell you on the top that is equal to 3,600 makeup wipes. So if you're trying to find something else, I don't know, and I know it was really soft. I did try it before I applied it to remove my makeup. It says you could also use it to exfoliate, and it's antibacterial, reusable, and it lasts 3 to 5 years. And it's also great for sensitive skin, and it's going to help you save money. So it did feel really soft, and I was concerned because I had those sensitive skin, but I did like it. I did like this product. Did I continue using it? No. No, I didn't, but I'm gonna go ahead and see, because I think this one is a lot bigger than the one I had. And is the Lavish. This one I'm going to be giving it away. I think I'm going to be giving both away because I got it in both boxes. And this is from Lavish. That's why I did not use these while I was doing my eye makeup. I really like my brushes. Now that I have so many brushes thanks to subscription boxes, now I'm just like, okay, if it feels good, I'll keep it. If not, I'll just go ahead and give it away. And they are so pretty, so colorful, and it's perfect because they're all for the eye makeup. So I think this is perfect, especially for starting, or if you're needing a specific type of brushes. But I just wish that they had a little bit more bristles to it. But they're really pretty. It sells for $29.99, and this is called Lavish 5-Piece Neon Eye Brush Collection. Saving it for last because I did not put any highlighter on, so I am glad that I did get the Iconic. I really like this brand, Iconic London, and you know, in the past we have received so many great products from this brand. This one is the Illuminator in Italy, so I'm just gonna put, they said you just need a little bit, so I'm just gonna go ahead Okay, the camera, you're gonna see that's so different. We are trying to make myself like a vanity desk, so it is put on, which I'm gonna show you quickly how it looks like, but I have not finished it. There's still some tweaks that we want to do and to make it a little bit more glam. But yeah, we are trying to make my, I don't know, because I like DIY. I don't know, when you take something and you made it yourself and you give it the touch-ups, the touch that you want, because sometimes you could go ahead and buy something, but then you feel like, oh, that wasn't the color that I wanted, or I don't know, it doesn't fit great where I live, and or you know where I'm gonna put it at. So in this case, that's why I really like DIY. So what we're doing is just, we already had some of those items. We had the piece of wood and we just bought a mirror. So we're connecting the two and painting it, coloring it, and making it into a vanity for very cheap. So I'm going to show you guys how that's coming together. So be patient, because we have not finished it. You can still see many things that needs to be improved. But in the meantime, I really like, I just can't wait until it's completed and I could just go ahead and put my makeup there. So that's why I had to raise a little bit the camera, because now I have a big mirror there, which I didn't have a mirror at all. I would just use the bathroom, or in this case, a mirror like this one. Wow, it does look really pretty. So yeah, I wanted to leave that one for last. And then it's for $41 for the illuminator. I didn't know it was that expensive. So this is everything, and this is variation number 7. Some of these things I'm just going to be giving away, but yeah, I'm glad I selected this product. It's variation, let's see, variation number 1, pretty much the same. Only 1 or 2 things are different. We have the Benefit Cosmetics, the Pore Professional. As you know, there was going to be 2 different variations. I got the same one, which I don't mind because I wanted that one that is not the hydration. I also got the Elements Calm Hydration Juice, which I told you that's not what I selected. I selected the palette and that's not what I received, and that's just, I don't know, I feel like I'm getting too much skincare. The next product that I got was the Lavish brushes that retails for $29.99. Then I also got the makeup eraser that retails for $22. I also received the juice, the hydration juice from Elements that retails for $48. And in this one, the only thing different is that I got the sponges from Hank and Henry. I did mention this in my spoiler that I wanted the lashes. Every time that there's lashes as a variation, I never get them. The last time I got lashes was like, I think 2 years ago, or maybe to play it safe, 1.5 years ago, and I have not received lashes. I wanted to do a try on. I really like to do a try on when I do my unboxings, but like I mentioned, a lot of the times I'm just getting a lot of skincare, and that's not fun, at least for the skincare. So today I am wearing the Becca foundation. I really like that foundation, but this one I put very little because it is full coverage, so I just put a little bit of that. I did apply the hydration juice, and I felt like that maybe that helped a little bit because it feels kind of thick. I love this palette. This is from Too Faced. This is the Natural Face, and as you know, one of the spoilers for the premium box for next month for May is the Too Faced Natural Eye. So I'm excited. Hopefully I do get it. I'm not sure if everybody's going to be getting it, but I love this palette. I love how it smells. I love Too Faced, I really do. And this one is Diffuse Heat. So this is the color. And I think it's perfect for me because I don't wear that much, well, I do wear blush all the time. I just like it a little light, and I feel like that one is really good. And I really like this palette. This palette is from Jaclyn Hill. This is volume 2, and I love warm tones, and I love purple. So I feel like this was perfect for me. I really like it. So yeah, I'm wearing that palette. So guys, if you want to see spoilers, check them out. We have so many new information too. I don't know, did you make your selection already? What do you guys think about the selection for the premium box? I was able to make my selection. Hopefully I get that next month. so don't miss out on. I hope you guys were able to do your choice selection. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're having a great week, and let's see what's coming for the month of May. We have an idea of some stuff, a lot of them is confirmed, but we still have a lot more that we don't know about. So if you want to know more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.